Hey, if your knee hurts or is stiff, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to feel better fast. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes to help you get a free, effective massage anywhere, anytime. We humans have been using these powerful techniques to heal our bodies for 2 million years. If you've never tried them, now's your chance. Everyone experiences knee pain, whether from overuse, arthritis, or just plain bad luck. Massage, and especially self-massage, has been shown to be a surprisingly effective treatment for knee pain of all kinds. But if you have a serious knee injury, get professional care. This is a learn-by-doing video, so while you view it, do it. Okay, let's get started. Step number 1, take everything you have on your knees off your knees and get out the best massage tools in the galaxy, your hands. Okay, it's go time. Start gliding up and down and all around your knee like so. This is a warming, relaxing, get you in the mood stroke. Keep your foot in front of your knee, relax your leg. Gently glide your hands like so. Your knee should be warm, relaxed, and feeling better. Begin squeezing your knee with both hands. Relax, breathe, and squeeze your knee while following along with the video. Roll your hands a little bit as you squeeze. On to step number 4. Press and roll your fingers into your knee like so and just follow along with the video. Massage your soft tissue, not your bone. Keeping your foot in front of your knee, pay careful attention to everything you feel in your knee. Now press and roll your fingers into the back of your knee. Now press and roll your thumbs. Step number 5, press your fingers into the side of your knee. Keeping your foot in front of your knee, relax your leg and feel for tender spots. Back to pressing and rolling and feeling every sensation in your knee. On a scale of 1 to 10, how is your knee feeling now? Get ready for step number 6 and cross your legs. Begin by squeezing your knee and following along with the video. Now press and roll your thumbs into the back of your leg, feeling for tender spots. Are you ready for some drumming? Softly tap your fingers against your knee. Be gentle but firm. Play your body like a drum. Tap it, rap it, and slap it. Way to go! Great job drumming. Time for a breather. Rest your hands on your thighs and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. Relax your knee and your entire body. Breathe deeply and feel your breath flowing through you and healing as all pain and suffering disappears. Your knee should feel better than when you started, but does it? Get up and walk around and feel how much better your knee and whole leg feels now. Now sit right back down and let us know in the comments below how the massage made you feel. If you're feeling better now than when you started, hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video with a friend who needs a massage. And thanks for watching. Self-massage. It's not just for cheapskates anymore.